Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Since my channel is new and I am definitely gonna try to be more consistent with my channel, but anyway, since it is new, I wanted to do like 10 fun facts about me. But yeah, let's jump right on into it. So fact 1, I am 26 years old. I know that's hard to believe, but I am. I'm 26. Actually, I'll be 27 this December. Fact 2, I am recently engaged, like 5 months, so it's getting pretty close. Fact 3, I am a fur mom. This is one of my first sons, Loki. We have 1 cat and 1 dog, my fiance and I. And this little guy is being really sweet to me right now, so I'm gonna let him. Fact 4, I am a huge believer in astrology. My sign is a little complicated, but I mean, if anybody knows what a cusp is, I was born on a cusp. I am a Sagittarius / Capricorn. I was born on the last day of the Sagittarius cycle, and kind of going into the first day of the Capricorn one, and that's what a cusp is. Somebody that is born in between birth signs. Fact 5 is I am a shoe lover. And I'm kind of embarrassed to admit this because I literally had to have a separate room in our apartment so that I could fit my shoes in. I have well over 250 pair of shoes, and there's no way that I could possibly ever wear them all. Fact 6, my favorite season is Christmas. I'm a Christmas baby. I've always loved Christmas. I love everything about Christmas. And I definitely enjoy decorating for Christmas and picking out trees and picking out gifts. Yeah, it's definitely one of my favorite times. Fact 7, I thought it would be my favorite ice cream flavor is butter pecan. Well, you know what? It's either between butter pecan or cookies and cream. I really couldn't choose. But my all-time favorite would probably have to be banana pudding ice cream. Not even gonna lie, honestly. Yeah. Fact 8, my favorite non-alcoholic drink is, I really recently just got into coconut water and I love it. I don't know, I've been sleeping under a rock, but that's my favorite non-alcoholic beverage. My cat is biting me. Fact 8. That's not nice, Loki. The type of music I mostly listen to. So I'm mostly Loki. That is not nice. I'm gonna have to put him down. Fact 8, before we were rudely interrupted by my cats. Fact 8, the music that I mostly listen to would have to be old school R&B, or what genre would that be? I like Otis Redding and Marvin Gaye and things like that. I have older parents, so growing up, that is the music that I had to listen to, so it kind of stuck with me. Fact 9 is my biggest pet peeve. My biggest pet peeve is people leaving drawers or cabinets open. It drives me insane. Between that and laying on throw pillows, I could blow a gasket. It just does something to my soul. I hate it. Those two would have to be my biggest pet peeves. Fact 10. This is a good one. My favorite weird smell. My favorite weird smell would have to be the smell of freshly cut grass. I don't know. I love it. So yeah, so I hope this was like a little fun kind of intro to my recently new YouTube channel. Yeah, so you know, maybe leave some fun facts about you yourself in the comments. I would love to read them and get to know you guys as well. So yeah, don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe. Thank you so much.